Hello everyone, hope everybody is fit and fine. In my last two slides we discussed about the growth and development. Now let us go and discuss about the difference between growth and development. Growth is measurable, means growth we can measure in size, height, weight, etc. Where development can be felt only through estimate and inspections. Growth is direct and it is visible. You can see through your naked eye growing boy or girl. Development is indirect and invisible. You can only inspect it or estimate it. Growth is only physical aspects and change in their attitude. Development is limited up to all aspects of the total personality of an individual. Growth continues in every individual up to a particular age. It is limited to particular age. As example, height. A person's height can grow only till the age of 21 years. After that, he cannot go further. He can gain weight. That is a different issue. But height stops till there only. Development continues from birth to death. Growth depends upon some of the hereditary factors of an individual. Means if some student's parents are taller, then he may go tall. Shorter, automatically he may be short, like that. Development depends more on environment available to the individual. It is not that way that if parents are short, then the student cannot study more, he cannot be intelligent. It depends upon the environment available to him. If he is be with smart people, intelligent people, automatically he will be intelligent and he develops. Growth is one-sided, where development is multifarious. It is not necessary that there must be development also along with growth. Owing to obesity, the weight of a child increases. For example, child's weight may be increased due to obesity and not due to the growth of his age. Development is possible without growth. That is when the efficiency and working capacity of children increase, their physical, emotional, mental and social ability does not develop. There is promotion in society, but it is not necessary that there must be development in weight, size or length of society. So all these are the points which differentiate growth from development. Hope everybody understood from these points. Thank you and bye, and wait for my next slide.